Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need an Apple ID and two-factor authentication enabled, and the latest iOS. First, open Wallet and add a supported debit card or bank account. Follow on-screen steps to verify with your bank. Once the card appears, enable Apple Cash or Apple Pay Cash in Wallet settings and accept the terms. This creates your Apple Cash account. You'll be asked to confirm personal details for identity verification. Do that now so you can receive money without delays. Once you've enabled Apple Cash, open Wallet, tap your Apple Cash card, and complete identity verification. Provide your legal name, SSN last four, and birth date if required. Then set Apple Cash as your default for receiving money and enable payments in Messages. Go to Settings Messages, Apple Pay to allow sending and receiving. Next, link and verify a bank account if you plan to transfer out. Choose between Instant, with fee, or Standard. To receive money, have the sender tap the Apple Pay button in Messages and choose your Apple Cash. You'll get a notification and the funds will appear in Wallet instantly. You can spend the balance with Apple Pay, send it to others, or transfer to your bank. Watch daily and transaction limits. If funds don't arrive, make sure your Apple Cash account completed identity verification. Check the sender used the correct contact, and confirm your linked bank cleared any pending deposits. Contact Apple support only after rechecking these items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.